Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make this super stretchy dye fluffy slime, then keep watching. To start off, you're going to need a mixing bowl and some glue. I'm using this Elmer's Glue All PVA glue. You're going to just want to pour that into your bowl. You're also going to need some shaving cream. I'm using this Smells Like Summer one to make my slime smell better. And then after you put in your shaving cream, you are going to need to get a mixing utensil out and just give that a good stir. You're also going to need some eye contact solution to activate your slime, and you're just going to want to put that in little bits at a time until your slime forms. You can also put in some liquid laundry detergent in case you don't have any eye contact. You guys can also put some food coloring of your choice in there. I'm not going to, because in the end, this slime, I'm telling you guys, is the best fluffy slime because it feels like a marshmallow. So I'm going to make it look like one more by not putting any food coloring in it. So I ended up putting this green color in my slime because I accidentally may have added too much shaving cream to my slime, so it didn't really feel like a marshmallow, so I just wanted to go ahead and color it anyway because color just makes things more fun. So I went and added some green so it looks like a really pretty mint green. This recipe makes a super fluffy, super soft, stretchy slime, so I hope you guys choose to try it out because it's super easy.